In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch GTA 5 from Steam. If you're ready to dive into the immersive world of Los Santos, follow along and we'll get this setup done in no time. First things first, you'll want to make sure your Steam app is open and ready. If you haven't installed it yet, go to steampowered.com and download the app. For those who've got it already, open the app on your computer. Now you'll be greeted by the familiar Steam login page. Here, you'll need to click on the login button to access your account. Enter your account name and password in the provided fields. It's important to ensure that your login credentials are kept secure, so consider activating SteamGuard for added security if you haven't done so already. After entering your details, click on the sign in button to proceed. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on your Steam homepage. At the top of this page is a search bar where you should type GTA 5 or Grand Theft Auto 5. You might have a variety of results, but make sure you click on the correct game. Once you've found GTA 5, you'll see an option to add to cart. Adding the game to your cart is just like shopping online. But before proceeding, double check the edition and any reviews or system requirements to ensure this game version fits your needs. Upon confirmation, go to your cart and look for the button that says continue to payment. Clicking this will begin the checkout process where you'll select a payment method. Steam supports multiple payment options from credit cards to PayPal, but choose whichever is most convenient for you and make sure to provide the necessary payment details. After you've confirmed your payment method and entered all the required information, click continue. Once the purchase is complete, you'll receive an email receipt. This confirmation ensures the transaction went through successfully and that GTA 5 is now associated with your Steam account. Next, head over to the Games menu on Steam's main interface and select Activate a product on Steam. Here, you'll be prompted to enter a product key code, which is typically unnecessary for direct Steam purchases. However, if prompted, the steps are straightforward. Once GTA 5 is activated in your library, it's ready to download. Navigate to your library, find GTA 5, and initiate the download and installation process. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a while, but once the download and installation are complete, your game will be ready to play. Simply navigate to your library, click on GTA 5, and hit the play button. And there you have it, you're all set to explore the vast world of Grand Theft Auto 5. Enjoy your game and don't forget to check back for more tutorials and tips.